Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Java program to swap two numbers. So guys, let's say for example, before swapping, the first number that is entered by the user is 12 and the second number that is entered by the user is 25. We just need to assign this 25 number, that is the second number, to the first variable, that is the first number, and this first number, that is 12, to the second variable, that is the second number. So after swapping, the first number should be 25 and second number should be 12, and that is how we are going to write this Java program in order to swap the two numbers. So guys, let us move to the Eclipse IDE. The logic behind swapping the two numbers is using the temporary variable in order to store the first number and then assigning the second number to the first number and the value of the temporary variable to the second number. So over here we are going to have the three variables. The first number will be A, the second number will be B, and the third variable, it will be temporary variable. So what we will do is we will ask the user in order to provide the two numbers, that is first and second number, and assign it to the A and B. So we are going to use the scanner class over here. So scanner, the SC object followed by new operator, and then we are going to use the scanner constructor over here, and then we are going to use system.in so that the user can provide the input on the console. And then after semicolon, what we will do is we will ask the user in order to provide the input. In this case we will be using the print statement over here, and I will say enter first number. So we have enter first number over here. So user will enter the first number. So how the user will enter the first number? It will be A, it is equal to SC followed by dot next int. So guys, this method, that is next int, is responsible to take the input, that is the number from the user, and we will assign it to the variable, that is A. Now the second number will be asked. So we will simply copy this line of code and paste this over here. So we'll say enter second number, in this case second number, and then before the statement we will do /n. That's because we have used the print statement over here, so we need to get the enter second number label on the next line over here. That is why we have used the /n, and then again we will be using the same method, that is sc.nextInt, but this time we will be using the B variable in order to assign the second number to the B variable. Now what we will do is inside the temp variable we will assign the first number, that is A. So A will be assigned to the temp variable. Now since we have duplicate numbers, that is the first number is present in A as well as it is present in the temp variable, we can assign another number to one of these variables. So we will be using the A variable and assign the value of B to this variable A. So we have B now. So what is the case right now? In temp we have the first number, but the second number is present in A as well as B. So we need to get the first number to the B now, which is present in the temp variable right now. So we will simply do B, it is equal to temp in this case. So guys, just by using these three lines of code, we have swapped two numbers. Now we simply have to print these numbers. So over here I will say print ln, and first number, it will be equal to, the value will be A, and the second number should be B in this case. So we say second number is B. Guys, one more thing over here, we have to provide the /n because we have used the print statement previously. So we need to provide this label on the next line. So before that we have to provide the /n over here. So let me just save this file and try running this code now. So as you can see, enter first number is being displayed. I'll provide 12 as the first number and then press enter. It says enter second number. So I'll provide 25 as the second number and then I'll press enter. So as you can see, first number it is equal to 25. Second number is equal to 12. Guys, there are some redundant new lines over here. So what I will do is I'll just remove these /n characters over here. And then let me just save this file once again and try running this code. This time I'll provide the first number as 100 and second number as 200. Press enter. As you can see, first number is 200 and second number is 100, and in this way we have easily swapped the two numbers that is being entered by the user. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is a Java program to find duplicate characters in a string. So stay tuned.